Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Gemini 8 sign. This is April bi-weekly reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. Energy could be vice versa, guys. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Gemini 8 sign. What are the messages for you and what's going on? What are the messages for you and what's going on? Gemini, please. What are the messages for you and what's going on? Gemini. So under the deck, page of wands with 8 of wands. Communication is coming, lots of communication, and someone want to communicate with you, some textual communication. You both have age differences between both of you, and one person in this connection is very good looking. So let's see your reading. Maybe one person is like a player type energy. So you are reading recent past, King of Cups, Judgment, and Knight of Swords. So you have strong emotions towards this person. You want to offer your love to your person. I think there are two persons. One person, for some, there is only one person coming to communicate with you. They are in so much rush. You have so much emotions towards this person. For another case, there are two persons. One person want to their love to you, and another person is rushing to communicate with you. Yeah, for one case there is one person, for other case there could be a two persons. One person could be past and one person could be new, but you are going to be make some major decision. In recent past you already made a decision because the judgment is in center. Maybe you have to decide from those options. Then present, King of Wands, the Magician, and 5 of Pentacles. I think in this relationship which you are in currently right now, 5 of Pentacles, someone treated the other person in this connection as an option. So one person treating the other person as an option, and you are stand by your power. You are focusing on your self growth. Queen of Wands, now you are taking your control back. The Magician energy, so you are manifesting something big into your life. But there are some issues in this connection right now which you are in currently. 5 of Pentacles, definitely maybe they are treating you as an option, but they are not available to you, maybe in and out of your life. Then future, 4 of Cups, Queen of Pentacles, and 4 of Wands. So you are feeling missed opportunity with that person, 4 of Cups energy and Queen of Pentacles. Now you are concentrating more on financial issues. For some, financial loss also, because 5 of Pentacles is financial loss, and you more concentrating on your career. You are very caring and giving person. And 4 of Wands, you both could be twin flames. Yes, you want this from your person, and but it is not happening. 4 of Wands energy, happy marriage. Yes, you are feeling missed opportunity with them. Now you are focusing on yourself. So the person involved in this connection could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So let's see your person feelings and actions towards you. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. So first we will see your person feelings. Gemini, your person feelings towards you. Their feelings towards you. Emperor, the Emperor. Yes, communication. 8 of Cups and Ace of Pentacles. I think they want to communicate with you. Maybe they have ego, the Emperor energy, and Ace of Pentacles. Definitely they really want to offer long-term commitment, and they want to express their true feelings to you through communication. 8 of Wands, they're thinking about to communicate with you. And 8 of Cups energy, so they want to leave behind their ego and to come and initiate contact. Yes, so they're thinking about to offer long-term commitment. These are only those feelings. So let's see their intentions. Will they take action? Maybe they walked away from this connection. So their intentions towards you. 7 of Pentacles, 2 of Wands, King of Wands. Yes, they will make action. 6 of Wands. They want success in this connection, guys. And 7 of Pentacles, first they will wait for you. Maybe you will communicate to them. That why they will wait for some time. 7 of Pentacles waiting period. And 2 of Wands energy. But later, maybe you are not making any move. They will wait for you. Then they will make a move. 2 of Wands. They're thinking about you a lot. And this could be long distance relationship. You both live in different cities, countries or states. But when you are not taking any action, then they will initiate contact or they will make a move towards you, because King of Wands, yes, they want to take action. But after some time, because they are in waiting period right now. And the person involved in this connection could be a lot of fire energy: Aries, Leo, Sagittarius, then Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, then Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. But they want success in this connection no matter what. They want to win you back again. King of Pentacles, they want to offer stability. Yes, they are going to be make action. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Nine of Cups. Wow, 10 of Cups. They're wishing for this connection. They're wishing to be with you. And under the deck, 2 of Cups. This love is mutual. There is mutual love between both of you, and your person want to offer this happy family to you, and they want to be with you. 9 of Cups and 10 of Cups. Yes, they're wishing for this connection. Six of Wands with 2 of Swords. I think you are getting success for your hard work. You are getting recognition for your hard work. And you both are very successful in your own ways. And 2 of Swords. But you are at some crossroads. Gemini, you have to make some decision. 7 of Pentacles. I think, yes, you are also waiting on them. Maybe you fed up with this energy. So you want to move on, or but you can't move on. The type of situation you are in right now, 2 of Swords energy, you are feeling stuck, you are unable to make any decision, but still you also want success in this connection. Seven of Cups. You both are dreaming about each other. There is confusion because waiting period is going. Your person also waiting for you. You also waiting for them. And 10 of Wands. Maybe this confusion creates a lot of burden for both of you. Maybe you both have options. Yes, they are going to be make some choice, but you are in some confusion. Maybe they are in some confusion. The person involved in this connection could be a lot of water energy: Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, or Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Lot of water energy and fire energy is here. So let's see some messages for you from Moon Oracle deck. Gemini. Bring love into the situation. New Moon in Aquarius. Believe in the impossible. Blue Moon. So bring love into the situation. So they will communicate. If they communicate, talk with them with love and believe in the impossible. And New Moon in Aquarius. So don't show your pride or ego when they come back. And believe in the impossible. So if you want to achieve anything, so if you want to do something but you are not trusting. Maybe you are thinking that is impossible, but the message is believe in the impossible. Everything is possible. Time frame is different. That's all. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you will get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.